Suppose from the last lecture we have learned what is alert parsing algo and how we can use that algo. We are going to learn with this example. Suppose we have this grammar and we want this string and this table is given to us. Here are three things. One is state number and the second is actions when it go to A production, when it go to B production, and when it reach to the acceptance stage, because we know when we reach to dollar it means we are reaching at the acceptance stage, and these are where it will go in between. So from this table we need to go through with this string. Are we able to go through with this string, with this grammar and with this table or not? So for this parsing, what things are required? Four things are required. Four things are what? Stack, input, and parsing algo and take. These four things are required for this functioning. So how to get this? First we go like this. S is a start symbol from here, and you can take A. After that, what is required? Required AB. So further we take this A as a, what we can take A because we need AB. So first A is required, so we will take A. After that A we convert into the B, so we will get first AB. In the similar way we will do for this also. We will take A production, and after that we have production B for A. So from here we will get the string AB. So what we can say from start from here we can say the first will be A tends to B, because we go from here A tends to B, and the second will be A tends to AA. That will be the second one, A tends to AA. In the similar way, third will be A tends to B, and the fourth will be A tends to AA, and the fifth will be S tends to AA, through which we will get that string. So how now we are going to learn how to do with the help of this alert parsing algo. So from the rule, the first is that if action is from the first rule we have that action, if that action is S tends to A is equal to SI, then shift A and I. So from here we can see from 0 state we are moving to with A, because with A, where we are with 0 state with A production, where we are moving, we are going ahead to S3, that is SI. So how we are going to do this? Let's understand with this stack or input. Initially start with 0 and A, start with 0 and A we are heading. So, or in simple way we can see like this: from S0 with A production we are moving towards S3. From the table also, starting the state number, it means S0. For A production it is going towards the S3, so like that. Or for B production, from here for B production S3 is going from, we are going from S3 to S4. S3 to S4. In that way we can understand from the table that is given in the table. So from 0 state it will start, it will go for A production, then it is going to the third state, then we are getting B, it is going to the fourth state. So this is the first step of the algo, or we can say from here from 0 to 8 will go to S3. In the similar way, from 3 to B it is going for S4, and like that it will go. So now again we are taking another stack in which what we are going to do, 0 state it will remain same A, and it is also remain same A. Now B, what we have B, and from here what we have here B, and from here we can see it can go towards the A because A tends to B, so we can convert it into the A. So this whole we will convert into the capital A. It will convert into the capital A. So so from here we can simply say from third state and S3 to S4 where we are going towards 6. From the table it is clear, from third and from moving toward S3 to S4, because here what we are going S3 to S4 towards B. So S3 to S4 at the third state we are going towards the 6. So here we will write 6. Here what we will write 6. So now we are going ahead towards more stack. So 0, or now from here that is AA, and we know from this rule A tends to AA will towards capital A. So from here we will take it to the A. We will take it to the A complete. Now again, because what is the string? AB. So now again here one AB is completed. Now again we require AB. So we will go towards the same process, and here what we are exactly doing, we are doing the reduction. What we are doing here, you are able to understand, we are doing the reduction like this 4A and R3, 4A and R3. So we can say we are doing the reduction here because we are popping the element, and this is the rule number 2. So we are popping the element. You can simply understand with this the rule number 2, S A R J jth if alpha tends to beta. So fourth A and R3, fourth A and R3, fourth A and R3 for this. So we are doing this reduction. This is the second rule, or we can say from A tends to B and A tends to AA. In the whole way we are doing the reduction. Here the one popping is there, so we will get capital A, and here 2 poppings are there. So 4 elements are we are popping, 4 symbols we are popping. Here 2 symbols we are popping, because we know in each reduction we pop 2 multiple of 2 symbols. So here only 2 symbols we are popping, but here we are popping 4 symbols. So from this rule, so from this production we know. So this is the reduction. So now further we need, because AB we get AB, and now further we need AB. So again we are going to the same process. So 2 because here A, so we are reaching towards because what we have 0 and A here. So from 0 and A where we are reaching at 2. So from here we are taking 2, because we are at 0 state and we get the capital A. So where we are reaching 2. So again we are going towards the same process, because we need to start with the A symbol. So same process, A symbol, it starts from S3 and will go to from 0 state S3, go to A and B go to S4. So same process, A 3 B 4, like that we will go. So I'll write it here so it will be easy for you. So I'll write it here again. So I'll write it here 0 A, same thing I'm writing here 2 A 3. Same thing I'm writing here, nothing else. So from here we have to do the direction. So 4B we know as we have done here. So similar way we will do here. 4B, what we will get? 0 A 2. So we know for 4B what we will get from here, capital A, and so this capital A and this small a will convert into the, and this capital A and the small a will convert into the again capital A. So we so this is for A and this is for this entire, we are getting A here. I'm writing it directly here. So 4B, from the similar way we'll get capital A reduction, and capital A and small a will get capital A reduction from this. So we reach to this state, and the S3 S4 reduction and S3 S4 reduction from the second state. From the second state we can see, from S3 S4 the production, and from the second state we are reaching at the 5 state. From the table it is clear. So from second state, because we are here at second state and we are doing the same thing S3 S4, so where we are reaching at 5, so we are writing here 5. So we are writing here 5. So now where we are reaching, we are having two capital A's. This is the fifth one production, as we have done here from this string. So we are reaching at capital S from fifth. Fine. So what we are going to write here, same thing, 0, and for these two production we are doing here reduction, because we are getting capital A, both capitals A. So we are reaching at S. From this production we are reaching at S. So we write here S, and what we have when we are reaching at S, we have 1 in the table from 0, and if we have S, so where we are reaching at 1, so we will write here 1. What we will write here? 1. So because our string is accepted, so we will write here dollar, because we are reaching at S, and so we can say our string is accepted, and because we are also at 1, and here we can simply see from the table that acceptance is there. So we will put a dollar, and we can say that our string is get accepted. So this is the way we can go through the LR0 parsing. We can do the we can identify that the string is there or not with the help of LR0 parsing table, which will be available, and the grammar with the rules and all these things we can find out.